So part of my training regimen is that I have EAAs, essential amino acids. These help muscle fatigue from training. They help build muscle. They're essential amino acids, not to be confused with BCAAs, branched chain amino acids, which are really shown not to do all that much. So I put 1 scoop in here with some water, stir it up, and I'm good. There's my weight before the meal, 281.2. Okay, so here is tonight's dinner. Alright, so here is tonight's dinner. Essential amino acids with a little bit of lime juice, green beans. Underneath the pico de gallo is the beef that I sauteed in a little bit of butter and olive oil. And under here is my tomato sauce. And the green beans were just cooked in salted water. Time to eat. Alright, so that's how much weight that meal put on me. That's with a full carafe of water.